So I have this home repair project that I need to address, and the best tool for the job is an oscillating multi-tool. I didn't have one, so I ordered one. Plus I kind of always wanted one. And I just thought I would share the unboxing with you here today. I opted for this DeWalt 20-volt model. I bought a kit, and there's a link in the description. So this kit includes several accessories: a battery charger, metal cutting blade, wood cutting blade, a sanding attachment, sandpaper, and a bag to carry it all. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, that's kind of neat. It's already all in the bag. That's a neat little bag. All right, here's the tool itself. Very nice. Battery, charger, sanding attachment, sandpaper. There's supposed to be 15 sheets of sandpaper included. Here are the blades. Oh, and this is a nice surprise. This was not listed as being included with the kit, but here is a depth gauge. So this attaches to the tool right here, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. And also this attachment here that I think allows you to use the universal blades. Let's see if there's some charge on the battery. There usually is. Yep. So this particular model has 3 operating speeds. At the first speed, it maxes out at 13,000. The second speed, 17,000. And the third speed, 20,000. But in any of the settings, you have variable speed control with this trigger. The depth gauge attaches to the side of the tool right here with this Allen wrench. And then this bar goes in here like this. And if I had a blade on there, and then this would allow you to control the depth of your cut if you needed to. Cool. I mentioned that I had a project that I needed to do with this tool, and there's a link to that video at the end of this video. If you found any of this information helpful, please hit the like button so YouTube will recommend it to other viewers. And if you appreciate this type of content, you might consider subscribing. In any case, I certainly thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video.